Hey everybody, we're going to give you a quick tutorial about how to use the Blue USB, or they also call this a Yeti microphone. So it works like this. It has a USB connection, and this will plug into your laptop or or into one of the edit bays. So let's go ahead and hook up our Blue microphone, our Blue Yeti. This is the USB connection right here. I plug it in. You'll notice that there's a little glowing red dot here. Right now it's blinking. Notice how it blinks. That means it's muted. So you want to make sure it's glowing steady. All right? That means it's on. Also, there's on the back of the microphone, there's a gain position. For this particular mic, I like to run the gain all the way up. There's different microphone settings. I leave it right here on the cardioid position. That's going to work best if you're just recording narration for one of your videos. Now, the way that this works is you want the microphone facing you, and to know it's facing you, the blue icon right here ought to be on this side. So again, you don't talk into the microphone like this, and do not do this. What you want to do is talk into it at a perpendicular angle and about 6 inches away from the microphone. Again, talking at a perpendicular angle. So now that we've kind of set up the microphone, now let's focus on the software that you're going to use to record your audio files. I simply go over here to my Mac, and I'm going to go up here and click on the search. I'm going to pull up a software called Quicktime Player. As you can see it right there, Quicktime. I select that, and you can see it's loaded up here. I go up to the File menu, and I want to select New Audio Recording. I'll get a little box like this, and if you could get a close-up, there you can see the box. You can see actually the sound of my voice, and just to make sure we're looking at the Blue USB mic, you can see the little check mark is selected there. I want to make sure that quality is on maximum, and with that, it looks pretty good. This is actually a monitoring slider, but so I don't really need that turned up. I would if I were playing back an audio file, but that can just be down for right now. So anyway, to activate this, right now it's kind of glowing red, if you can see, but if I click on this, it's actually going to turn black and white, which I know is a little weird. You'd think that if it was red, it would be recording, but in this case, it's not. When you click on that little button and it turns black and white, then you'll know that it's recording and you're actually recording something. So let's go ahead and start laying down an audio track, okay? I'm going to get close to my microphone. Oh, wait a minute. I had the mute off there. Here we go. It's glowing red. That's a good sign. So I'm going to hit record, hit the little red button over here. See, it's now black and white, and you can see it responding. Actually, can you see also how the time is elapsing right here? That's another clue that you're actually laying down a recording track. And as I'm getting close here, I'm about 6 inches away from the microphone, laying down a good audio track. So I'll just wrap that up. I'll press the button again to stop recording, just like I've done now. And you can now monitor what you just recorded. Press the play button on this little interface box. See, it's now black and white. Yeah, that's what we just recorded. We're now listening to the recorded file. Time is elapsing right here. So that's a good sign. I've tested it. The last thing to do to save that audio track is to go up here to the file where you see where it says File. I simply want to click on Save. That'll open up a dialog box. I'll give it a new name. I'll just call this Roof Track, okay, just like this. And then I'll tell it where to save it, in this case the desktop. And right down here it says Save. I'll just click that button. And now that's all there is to it. You can see that Roof Track is now loaded right here on my desktop. And that's what you can import directly into Final Cut or Premiere and import your audio narration that way. Thanks for watching.